Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera distortion on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After clean lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.